Hello everyone, I am Ayla Shanex and today I am talking about brand new project Frag, also known as the Fragment, and it's making big waves in the Solana ecosystem. Frag began as Solana first native liquidity and the risk-taking protocol designed to give user more reward from their stakes and assets and without sacrificing in the security or decentralizations. And what's make Fragment unique? And the restake to earn more users and can restake Solana based assets to generate additional yield from multiple layers. Number two is native Solana integrations built directly to Solana, offering lightning and fast low cost and transactions. And number three, control. You keep ownership of as your assets, private key, and 100% decentralizations. Number four, modulator and the infrastructures agile for developers built for next generations of TEFI protocol. Number five, capital efficient. Unlock the true potential of your staking liquidity. Thank you. Okay, and let's go to our project. And the project is Frag. Okay, BTC pool frag. You stake BTC and total staking reward 5 lakh frag and the participations in the 1 lakh 7 sorry 1780 and the token stake BTC price pool hourly cap 2604.16 frag and the mining periods in the 8 days individual hourly cap 182.29 frag. Total stake 1756.8408888237 BTC APR 1.73%. Okay, and this. Okay, guys, get started. Welcome to Fragment Stake Twins and more. Overview. Fragment began as Solana first native liquidity restaking in the protocol and evolved into the advanced Frag 22 assets and the management standards. This new standard is seamless and integrates in the multiple multi-asset and the deposit precise in the reward distributions and models yield in the sourcing in the empowering both developers and the users to efficiently assist the sophisticated DEFI and the strategies. Leveraging Solana token, the extension the Frag 22 provides the transparent real-time reward tracking and superior liquidity management, which clearly Jeffy, sorry, define in the operational the rules and secure protocol fragment seeds and the benchmark to composability and the scalability and user experience within the Solana ecosystem. In the fragment mission to build us secure, transparent, and the highly efficient asset management infrastructures that empowering users the enhance to stability of Solana financial and security ecosystem. And the stake trains are more website and the Discord, Twitter. Okay, now we see website. Okay, that's a great fragments. Liquid restaking on Solana fragments and the restaking from Fragsol. Pragmatic and the Pragmatic introducing the restaking based and the security finance to Solana through the liquid restaking and yield optimize. Okay, fragment. Okay, and now we see the Discord. Okay, thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. Thanks a lot. Today my topic is new launch pool, the frag. Okay, and now we see Twitter. Due to network issue, sorry guys, and we are also go to back. Okay, quick links, frag assets and the fragment pool guides and the branch kit. Quick asset in the Fraxol, and the Fraxol is the Solana first liquid restaking token, the LRT, and the culminations of the fragment of the technology innovation by restaking Sol and or other liquid staking tokens in the G2 Sol and M Sol, BN Sol, or BB Sol. Through the fragment protocol, you receive frag Sol, which is the represents your restaking Sol and LST and entities you choose. Solana is taking GL fragment in the collaboration with top tiers and the GL focus and the protocol aiming to deliver competitions and the return to for Fraxol holders. Okay, thank you so much. And the MEV and the reward also and the LST, the deposit into the fragment are used to secure tip router the first node and the consensus network is NCN and the under due to the restaking MV MEV and the tips and the generates from these activities are distributed to Fraxol holders and the boosting overall APY. And the additional risk-taking the revenue with the integrations in on the J2 risk-taking in the protocol, including the collaboration with the NCN as the fragmenting the efficiently the redistribute the extra risk-taking for frag sol holders. Okay, reward within a protocol and the distribute in two ways, and the when NC and the NAVS reward are distributed in tokens that can be deposited back into the Praxol, the protocol user auto compounding to increase Fraxol APY. And if the reward are paid in tokens and the node support for deposit, user can manually claim those tokens anytime. This dual in approach users and the non-compound rewards. Okay, and in the fragment form. Okay, overview fragment 22. The fragment asset standards. The fragment 22 standards represent an advanced asset organizations a framework developed by Fragment built upon Solana Innovations Token in 2022 and the Transfer Hawks. Initially, the utilized to liquid risk taking, the standards now provides rewards and the capabilities to support multiple asset and the deposit thrives in the reward distributions as and seamless adoptions of various yield and the generating the strategies beyond traditional staking solutions. Okay, thank you so much. And expansion beyond the risk taking in the fragment initially introduced the Frag 22 standard to support its the liquid risk taking tokens, allowing in the multiple LSTS to be deposited or automatically the generating and accurately the distributing multiple reward streams in the create by NCN and the with its the reward and modular instructions and the risk taking served as the first use case in the demonstrating and the standard potentials. Okay, recognizing in the border and the opportunities, the fragment expenditure, the standards applicability, the beyond risk taking and integrations in the diverse in the shell generations, the method into a unified composable in the token architectures in this expansion enable frag and the 22 assets to seamlessly integrate with liquidity pools and the lending in the protocol structures T5 and the project and more complex yield and the generating strategies. In technical innovation of Frag 22 unified multiple asset deposit, Frag 22 introduced an advanced multiple assets capability, enabling the simultaneous and the deposit of drivers tokens under one unified standard through the sympathetic text and the normalizations and token aggregation in the protocol. This functionality in the simplify the complex multi-asset and the management task. By standardizing the diverse asset and the classic into the singular fungible and the tokens frag 22 significantly enhance in the liquidity efficiency and reduce transactions overhead, enabling in the streamlines and the implementations of complex yield strategy without additional user frictions. Okay, and the precious real-time multiple reward distributions built on top of Solana Innovations Token 2022, the transfer hook preg and the 22 developers delivers unprecedented and the precious in the brand tracking and calculations of the multiple reward streams. Every transaction tried in the real time on chain that recalculations and ensuring the accurate up to the date reward allocations even under high fragrance in the trading conditions. User retains the exploit and the control manually claimed and the accumulate reward via fragment decentralized applications. Interface the fostering and the full transparency and the fairness, particular in the valuable in environment with complex transactions and the interactions. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Okay, now modular shared integration in the framework. Okay, this is the Frag 22 and the arches with the highly modular and the designed facilitations, rapid integrations and adaptations of diverse yield source. This framework supports a plug and play model of incorporation of the liquidity pools, lending platform, and the structured finance in the product yield from and implying decentralization finance strategy and protocol adoptions and the architecture and the insurance ensure quick and the scalability and the continuous expansions of yield opportunities. Allowing the fragment of dynamically in response to market innovation and user demand consistently optimize user return and the capital efficiency. The website that is the Frag 22 standards will unlock innovations tokens can use cases within the Solana ecosystem by enabling seamless adoptions of reserve decentralized yield in the source including but not limit risk-taking service. Okay, thank you so much. Future brought to you by Frag 22 by Seamless Integrations, Multi-Assets Deposit, Precise and the reward distributions, and the modular yield source in the fragment and the Frag 22 standards, unlocking this the next generation and of decentralized finance and empowering the developers and user alike and with stimulus in the access to sophisticated tickets and the DFI the strategies, superior liquidity in the management and transparent reward tracking and setting a new benchmark for composability in the scalability and user experience on Solana. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Okay, guides and brand mark. Okay, restaking and unstake maximum yield and the thought restaking with frag assets, restaking and unstaking. Okay, how to restake? Head to the top fragment dot xyz slash restake. Okay. Number two, connect wallet to Fragment. If you don't have a wallet yet, the recommended setting on one up with backup of Phantom, you can check the currently support wallet and the integrations in the image below. If you are using hardware and the wallet like the ledger, make sure to enable the I am using the hardware wallet to toggle. Okay, thanks a lot, everyone. Select the token you wish you restake. Restake. Currently, you can select either Pragsol or Prag GTO. In this guide, we will use Pragsol as an example. Number four, choose assets to restake as Pragsol, choose Sol or LST list from the drop down menu. And number five, choose amount. The restaking as Fraxol into the amount you wish to deposit into Fraxol. Ensure the amount is less than your total balance. You should also keep some Sol in your wallet, at least 0.1 for Solana rent fee. Fragment does not profit from any portion of the rent fee. Oh, thank you so much, everyone. And number six, click this tech button and confirm the transaction in your wallet. Once complete, Fraxol will appear in your wallet. And wait for the transaction to be submitted. And check your wallet and should you fragment restaking sol in the amount you choose to restake. Okay, number eight, enjoy your Fraxol. You can use Fraxol and throw the wrapping in with the white listed Jeffy and the partners, or simply hold Fraxol to enjoy auto compound and the staking reward, MEB and reward, and NCN reward. Okay, thanks. Thank you so much, everyone. And brand kit, stake twists are more. We are fragment brand kit and brand documents. FAQs is a temporary terminology, and the terminology APY standard and annually percentage yield. It's the return you get compound over a year of your asset. The APY available in DFI varies of the depending on several factors, and something change very suddenly. It different from APY and the which standards or of annual percentage rate, hence the referring to the return of the investment over the year, over 1 year without compounding. Okay. And auto compound and the reward the automatically reimburses into the position without requirement manual actions, and thereby the increasing your principles and enabling compound growth. while this often applies to staking and MEB and the reward fragment also support auto compound of NCN and the ABS. Ensuring those additional rewards and the likewise that continuously uh, reinvested to further optimize your overall yield. Blocks, a blockchain in the consist of blocks with securely processed and record transparent. And the approach is if the Solana network and approach represent a time period and the evaluations equivalent to the periods of validity of a giving leaders schedule and approach in the last approximately 2 days. Exchange rate. The exchange rate between Fraxol and the Sol refers to the Solana to Fraxol in the terms of Solana because Fraxol automatically occurs in the Solana staking and MEY the reward overview over time in the so an auto rebase in the system. This exchange rates in the shift over time. This shift the account of this only staking and MEB in the reward from NCN and the ABS need to be claimed individually and do not interfere with the Frax Sol to Sol exchange rate. And F point that reflected those of the user's contributions of fragment. A user can get F point just by depositing this the asset in the fragment. These points can be some reference to the further airdrops from fragments. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. And the liquidity refer to the total amount of the asset that is the readily and available on the circulation with the given protocol. And liquidity staking token provide for stake assets, no excluding them in liquidity supply. User received LST and when they stake, then enabling them to return earn reward while still having an capability to trade or use these tokens in DeFi applications. And LRT are liquid restaking tokens, and the LRT is the issued to mean liquidity while engaging in restaking. This mechanism developed by the G2 or Solana enable the stake sol to be utilized for securing other networks. And the MEB reward are additional rewards, creating the optimizations of transactions ordering with a block. MEB and the research bid in G2 for access to the MEB opportunity and winning bids and distribute with the validators and stakers. This is purely incremental and does not bear the same risk for MEB and the trading. MEB serve as a boost atop base staking reward received by stakes. NCN node conscience and network ABS and actively validate service a network node that research consists to provide a specific service or validate transactions. Node operates any entity to entity or person that runs and maintain a node on a blockchain platform, which is which in this in the pre-respective in this network of Solana, they usually perform the service of transaction validations, ensuring security of the network, and in the most oceans they are incentivized with fees. Okay, validators. A node of proof of staking in network responsible for validating in the transactions and maintaining network consensus. Protocol are the set or basic rules that enable different computers to share data with to another. In case of cryptocurrencies, they define how to the blockchain or decentralized and the applications they distribute database or service that allow digital money to be securely exchanged over the internet in setup. Okay, staking is a process of securing asset or collateral to support network operations and reward. In this process, participants look up there in the cryptocurrencies for a certain period to contribute to blockchain security and validations, receiving in incentive is return. Okay, done there. Yes, of course. Okay, restaking enable the okay, reuse of staking assets for further staking, realizing an additional yield and the extending basic and the staking for further increase earning possibility and contributions to network functions, and thus in chasing on the chain liquidity and efficiency. Okay, restaking reward are extra reward for user when they restake asset for the NCN and or ABS is the various platforms such as the G2 restaking or Solar Layer. By its mean, it's a secure service on the network for Solana and generate reward additional or simple staking. In this case, they have the right to choose which NCN or ABS they want to validate, with the possibility of the addition adjusting their risk depending on every application security need. Thanks, thanks and our Solana network guide our community of users who is taking token or the fragment to secure and enhance Solana by coming saying you join our community lead by the co-founders saying in the protecting in the network and the contributions to it is the decentralization growth. Okay, slashing as a penalty mechanism in proof of staking system where the validators lose a portion of their stake or malicious of neglect behavior. Okay, TVL, total value locked, and the TVL is the metric represents the total value of asset in a protocol. Okay, this is a Twitter account. Fragment liquid restaking of Solana stake twists are more. Just join us. Okay, Fragment and just stake live now. This is a Twitter account. Okay, and now this is a okay. Get launch pool FAQs. What is Get launch pool? Get Launchpool is an innovative the staking and airdrops platforms where user can stake GT, BTC, Ethereum, USDT. And with low entry barriers and high APR, it's the ultimate platform for effortless capturing market opportunities. Okay, join now. How to participate in Get Launchpool? First, log in to your Get account and navigate to the Get Launchpool page. Then choose the project you want to participate in, the stake and your assets. Okay. Okay, this is a launch pool. Quick staking and potential new stakes. 300.9 million dollars stake and the 26.92 billion dollars fundraised and the 5.66 million plus participants and the 759.54k estimate total reward. Okay, subscribe and confirm. Okay, subscribe. Okay, about launch pool. Okay, okay, which coins can I stake in the launch pool? The token eligible for participant will be announced for the mining page for the each project. Please visit the corresponding page for launch pool to view more details. And number 5, how to reward distribute. A system will take snapshot for individual staking amount and distribute token reward, and eligible user hourly earning will be distributed into the user support account. Please, dear friends, like, follow, and share. Thank you so much, everyone. Okay, number 6. When will the stakes asset be redeemed? After the user redeem in advance for the staking is complete, the stake asset will be transferred to the simple and by the default is the option in unchecked. The staking asset will be redeemed into the spot account. If the amount of regime assets is too small and does not meet the minimum subscribe amount of simple earned asset will be automatically transferred to spot asset, and if simple earn does not spot and to subscribe to of the regime token, the asset will also automatically transfer to the spot assets. Number 7, can I redeem my staking asset in any time? The system will take multiple snapshots of personal staking amount each hour and calculate the valid staking amount. However, early redemptions may result in the loss of accurate reward, and please maintain stable staking amount to ensure mining reward. And number 8, can I add additional staking asset? You can increase your stake asset in any time, and the more tokens are staked and greater your potential mining reward. However, once the reward cap is reaching, you will no longer receiving staking. Number 9, can I participate in multi project in any time? When there are launch pool project going on the same time, you can stake in the different pools and receiving new tokens, mining rewards, and multiple projects. Each staking pool needs to be staked separately. If you only stake asset in a pool, you will not be able to obtain reward from pool B. You can stake pool A and pool B separately to obtain the corresponding in the mining reward. Okay, and number 10, what is the maximum mining reward I can receive? The hourly reward hard cap per user for each project is different. Once the cap is reached, no further staking reward will be greater granted, and please refer to the relevant announce the mining page for the reward hard cap limit for each project. And number 11, please taking asset in the launch pool impact my VIP level? No, asset stake in get launch pool will be include the assets holding calculations or holders airdrop launch pool is VIP privileges. Okay, and now we'll be back. And number 11, will is taking asset in the get launch will impact my VIP levels. Okay. Number 12, will that happens for to my funds if the project is ended early? In case of early ending, your staking principles will be automatically redeemed as soon as the project in ended, and your last interest will be distributed on the hour or the hour after the end time. In the interest distributions before the ending will not be affected. Okay, thank you so much for joining my live stream. Thanks a lot, everyone. And about annual percentage rate APR, when the reward coin, the stake coins APR total report release in the last hours total stakes. into 365 into 24 into 100%. And number two, when the reward coin is not mistaking coins APR total reward release in the last overs into closing price of the reward coins to the of the last overs, and the last overs total stake into the closing price of the staking coins of the last over into the 365 into the 24 into 100%. Okay, thank you so much for joining me. Okay, I am turning get launch pro and okay, now we see the official website. Stake twins and earn more. Connect your wallet here and okay, and welcome to the restaking stations with Binance Wallet and restaking Fraxol and with Binance Wallet and an exclusive reward. And Fraxol, it's just Sol and the but it's the and more and the Frag JTO. Okay, Fraxol is this is Fraxol and okay, due to the internet okay, Frag GTO and the Frag BTC Frag 2. Frag is what you get when Frag grow up, and the Frag BTC Satoshi is working. Okay, okay. 297, 980 and 633.40 total value lock. Thank you so much for joining me, everyone. Thanks a lot. Okay, unstaking the station is the withdrawal principles and reward. Okay, hold fragment asset to receive reward in fragment way. And the DFI navigate to DFI universe and the boosting by fragments but in each now the convert your token and unlock the DFI. Okay, thank you so much. And warp your token. See? See? Token unlock maximum the GFI participant and the unwarp your token hold it to be into earn reward. Okay dear, okay. Okay, thank you so much everyone. Okay, frag 2, stake your frag, turn your frag into the frag 2 and be part of the fragment next chapter. By sticking and holding, you write yourself into the shared history. Okay, Frag calculates supply. 2 lakh 2000 000 and 0.7 frag price in the 61.37 frag estimate APY percent in the 16475 in the 006 086 taking frag 2 on the positions. Okay, frag 2, your voice, your community, your future, our future. The built by believers is taking frag into the frag in unitize you with the community is shopping in the fragmented version and driving collective growth. Okay, fragment both token frag 2 holders and the receive fragment in the voter tokens FTP to propose in the initiatives and the vote for decision and delete community governance and the earn more with frag 2 in the stake frag to earn frag APY and boost your F points in the rewarding your active in the community to fragment. Yeah, thank you so much everyone and earn more with FH2 stake frag to earn frag APY and boost your F points and rewarding your active commitment to fragments. Okay, thank you so much. The branch kit and nations. Okay, overview, fund, reward, your source, everything is okay and this is the frag 2 frag GTO and frag BTC frag 2 and now we are seeing the again overview website liquid risk taking on Solana. Okay, fragment and risk taking frag sol. Risk-taking unlock the full potential of risk-taking Solana by leveraging it as the crypto economic and the security across the multiple protocol. Stake twins earn more and also done and okay, Twitter official website and FAQs I have done and okay, holder airdrop GT hold GT and get Mississippi airdrop for free. 0.00 airdrop receive and the 127.2 cumulative airdrops and 45.00k total airdrops, 11.49 million plus participations. And Launchpad. Launchpad be early to the next big token project and 656514 and the 966 total commitments. Thank you so much, everyone. Okay, again we are seeing. Okay, and in just 4 days, 18 hours 43 minutes or 28 seconds are left. So hurry up, guys, and stake BTC. Stake BTC and earn frag. And Fragment began as Solana first native liquidity staking protocol and evolved into the advanced Frag 22 asset and the management standards. These new standards seamlessly integrate and the multi-asset and the deposit process, precise in the reward distributions and modular yield in the sourcing, empowering and the both developers and users to efficiently assess. Okay, thank you so much everyone for joining my live stream. Okay, and asset deposit and the pre-sales and the reward distributions and modular yield and the sourcing empowering in both developers and user to efficiently seize sophisticated and the GFI and the strategies. And quick links. Okay, Solana program fragment liquid and the risk taking program address frag as FRAG and the AIS 7 BP 6 FS FTS and the MOA 6 by this is the address of Solana program and verifiable and the build hash and the commitment hash adult report current stamp and the Feb 2025 current and the stamp October 2025 Satora in the October 24 GT repository is going to be the public soon. Fraxol token and account. Okay, Fraxol token, Fraxol fund receive and Fraxol fund, Fraxol reward, NS Fraxol fund, Fraxol reward, NSOL tokens and the NSOL NSOL in the normalized token pool and the NSOL G2 wallet and the NSOL wallet mint. Okay, Frax G2 token and accounts. Frag BTC token and accounts. Thank you so much. And the Frag2 token and accounts and Frag2 tokens and the Frag2 fund receive Frag2 okay funds Frag rewards and the Frag virtual wallet and the event and the program address liquidity these taking programs and the upgrade authority owners and the multisig and the committee committees and the fragment of the development the program are designed to be the upgradable for several key reasons and the first as the protocol is ruled out of the multiple phase programs upgrades are necessary to enable careful adjustment to the core protocol parameters and the second upgradability ensures that the team can respond safely in the case of the emergencies, maintaining the security and the stability of the platforms. All deployed in the program within the fragment are governance by the multi the managed by multi-core distributors as the protocol evolves the multi-sig the governance structure will gradually expand or include members of the borders fragment ecosystem further enhancing the decentralizations. Fragment uses the squared before Solana leading in the multi-sig infrastructures. This is a system has undergone multiple security audit and squads in the protocol V4 has successfully completed two formal verifications, ensuring is the robustness and reliabilities. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot, everyone. Okay, guys, so that's all about Frag and Solana was native risk taking protocol that's changing the game for liquidity and rewards. If you are ready to earn more from your staking assets, don't miss the limit time and the opportunity on Get.io. All the okay, thank you so much, everyone, and don't forget to follow me, like the stream, and share it with your crypto friend. This is Ayla Shinex. See you in the next live stream. Stay smart and stay early and stay crypto ready. Okay, dear friends, thank you so much for joining me once again. Thanks a lot and good night.